It's vlog 18. We've been in the shop for a while now. Now the old shop is being disassembled. Right now they're removing the old oil burning heater. They're taking down all the hose reels and all of the old piping. Then they'll be getting rid of all the old racks. We'll be getting rid of all the benches. Basically everything that we used to use in the shop that wasn't bolted to the floor. It's crazy to see it empty like this.
Yeah, isn't it?
I know.
So was the eerie feeling.
Right?
But you don't look how small it looks too.
I know.
So big.
They're taking the old floors out. It's crazy. My sign is still up. All right, so that's it. That is the update for this vlog. Next time, the floor will probably be completely gone and they'll start taking down the rest of the building.